Hello guys, welcome to Donk on the Road. Just wanted to say hi and tell you what today's video is going to be about. Today's video is Cole from Built Not Bought Campers showing us the best way to cut your foam for your bed, foam for your seating area, doesn't matter. This is by far the best way to cut foam, I believe. Thanks for watching, guys. Today we are cutting some foam for beside the king size mattress in the back of Kong. We're going to use jigsaw, a really special long blade, and we're going to cut through this foam.
That's kind of to the wire on that one.
Oh yeah, that is a bit tight on the...
That'd be fun. Right.
Aren't you going to flip it that way and cut it that way though?
Yeah. Put the blade in.
Yeah.
Put the blade in. So these blades, I had to hunt for ages, because you know, blades are literally about that high. So you can get these online. Don't ask for a link, because I've had these so long now, the link probably won't be there anymore. Now I've cut foam with this once, I think, rightly, but I can't remember, because I've slept since then. But these are made by Bosch. And on the packet it says 2-lane Bosch. I'll get Don to put it in the video. So I've marked both sides straight and the other side. I've never cut anything this thick before though. This is going to be interesting. The battery might help. Real life stuff, guys. Yeah. Real life stuff. Not too bad actually. It's missed the line at the bottom, but we can trim that by flipping it over. Bear in mind there is a lot of flex in that blade. As you will see, that corner will be hidden anyway, and there'll be a sheet on top of this. Now let's do the other side. So I've heard people saying do these with bread knives, electric bread knives. Hot wire's a good one if you've got one. Right. Right, what we do, we're going to fit this in place so you can have a look where it's going to go. Come with us.
Hold on, let me go into the actual bus. Ooh.
Right, okay. As you can see, we've got a nice thick mattress. This has got to expand. Been told it's got to be left for 24 to 72 hours. And this is the corners we've just cut out, I hope. And then And that sits in there perfect, which extends the mattress to exactly how...
Yes, we've got finger gap here, but when the mattress expands, it should meet up with this foam nicely.
Perfect! So that extends our king size into sort of not quite...
And just a catch up for the bed area. This is a king size mattress that needs to be extended by the foam. That's why we just cut the foam. In the bed area, we've got a 32-inch TV. Cupboards up high that I haven't put into a video yet, because I was going to release them with the kitchen video. That is my next video out. So that video will probably be before this video, or I might throw it in there, who knows. We've got the controller for the Chinese diesel heater, the one that's underneath the bed. Next to the bathroom, we've just used this, I'll get a close up. This is plastic boarding, bathroom board. The extractor that we cut the hole for in my last video, I think. Shower tray, all nicely boarded out the whole way around. The composting toilet, we made this. I'm safe to lift it up because I know it hasn't been used. But yeah, we made this. We just made the box, piano hinge at the back, put the toilet seat on. Hasn't got the tanks inside the toilet yet. Right. And one of the vents for the Chinese diesel heater. We also put this board on here. Let's put some lights on. Yeah, we done this board the other day. We've still got to finish off this edge with some of that tea. Oh, I was putting some on the other day. It's too early for the name of that. Tea something. Sims, this stuff needs to go on there to finish that corner off. And we need to fit the toilet door. Apart from that, the bathroom is pretty much done. Little catch-up video for you.